Let's set up object detection for the feet. Here, we will set up object detection for the feet, allowing the model to step on the ground and obstacles. I will be explaining with version 2.57 of the user interface. First half, setting up the obstacles. I have displayed a model and some stairs that will work as an obstacle. It isn't that hard to set up an obstacle. Let's try it out. Let's try selecting the left hood. With armature selected, select Object Detection under Pastel Action. There is a setting for the left side and right side of the body. This is the left hood, so let's select Object Detection for the left side of the body. This will show 3 submenus. The finger setting cannot be used for the toes, so we will ignore it. The floor settings will be used in the second half. It allows us to select a level floor or ground, etc. For the hood obstacle, let's select the hood menu. This will open another submenu. Choose the selection menu. Shrink wrap constraints will appear. In the target selection area, please select the object you would like to set as an obstacle. We'll select the stairs. You can see that the end of the hood has responded. Next, we'll make the back of the hood respond as well. Select Object Detection. Select the feet. Select Selection in the submenu. This will result in the back of the hood responding as well. However, you can see that at this point, the feet are still shown as inside the stairs. These stairs have 2 surfaces on each step. Let's change the view to C. You can see that the bottom of the step has a surface as well. As shown here, if there are more than 2 surfaces on an object, the hood will end up responding to others as well. So let's delete the surface on the bottom. Select the stairs and enter Edit mode. Select the surface and delete it. The surface has been deleted. Let's return the view. As the unnecessary surface has now been deleted, the hood is no longer disappearing in the stairs. Now let's try moving the bone and watch the action. Second half, setting the floor surface. The floor surface setting feature is basically the same as the obstacle setting feature. However, this is the simple version, so we can only set the floor to flat surfaces. This can be used along with the obstacle setting feature. In addition to the settings that we did in the first half, I added another flat surface. I'll change the view a bit to make it easier to see. Let's start changing the settings. We'll select the left hood again. Select Armature and then Object Detection under Pastel Action. Select Floor Settings from the menu. A submenu will appear. Select Settings. Next, open the Shrink Wrap Constraints tab. All we need to do now is to select the object that will be the floor in the target selection area. This will set a floor surface, and the model's feet will be on top of the surface. The Shrink Wrap constraints for the floor settings will be added to the foot's IK bone. Due to this, the hood's IK bone will no longer be able to go under the floor. Let's check the action. This is all for the foot obstacle settings. Thank you.